Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips to catch the insect faster and easier in Heartopia game. Okay, first of all, I'm going to equip my net, and then I'm going to catch this butterfly, this raspberry butterfly. You're going to tap and hold on the net icon and then release it like this. Okay. And the rosebud butterfly has been catched. And then let's find a new target. Okay, and I'm going to catch this butterfly, this one. Tap and hold on the net. Oops. Let's try it again. Okay. Yeah, just like this. And okay guys, that's all the tips from me. I hope this video will be useful for you, especially when you want to catch insects in Heartopia game. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.